Hello guys, wanted to do a quick review on this drill set that I got from Amazon. This is what came in my kit. You have this drill right here. This is the cordless impact driver. And this one right here, which is the cordless drill driver. And you get this pretty sturdy bag that comes with it. And a charger. So that's all that came in the kit. So let me show you this one right here. Battery comes on and off very easily. You get two of these, one in each drill. Has a nice rubber grip that extends all the way into here in case you need to use two hands. Has a nice feel to it and fits comfortably in the hand. The trigger is sensitive, so you could, depending on how hard you press, it will go faster or slower. Then you have the little switches, which right here and right here, which way it spins. And you have the little LED lights in the front, so you know what you're doing. On this one, you have kind of the same thing, a grippy handle that fits nicely in your hand. Say rubber extends into this part right here in case you need to push in the drill. You have the battery. Right here we have the two different speeds. And right here you can adjust whether you're drilling into something, so just keep that setting on, or if you're doing something else you could choose the clutch setting right here, and that will tell the drill how much resistance it needs before it stops. So like if it's 1, it's very easy to stop. Then if you go higher, it's a little harder. Then if you go all the way up to 15, you'll need like a lot of resistance to stop the drill. You have a little LED light right here, so you could see what you're doing. And the bag itself is a pretty sturdy bag. It easily fits both of the drills, as well as the charger. And there's going to be even more room to spare to put some other stuff in there if you want. Speaking of the charger, this is where the battery slides on. I guess I could show you how that's done. If you just take that battery off, it slides onto here, and then when you plug it in, it'll tell you if it's charging, if it's charged, or if it's too hot or cold, or if there's some kind of delay. So I usually keep some other tools in this bag as well, and it closes pretty nicely. My dad has the same bag, and his has been used far longer than mine, and it still looks like it's pretty intact. So pretty sturdy bag with a couple of pockets here on the side. You can fit a lot of stuff in it. I did have to get a couple more things with the drill, because otherwise you can't do anything if you just get just the drill. Got some of these drill bits and these screwdriver bits. So I recommend getting those with this, so you can at least do something. So if you get something like this, it'll be more than plenty to do everything you need to do around the house. So overall, I think a great product. Check it out, and hopefully this was helpful.